bitches fuck with me. Ayy, I don't do shit for the free. Man, y'all niggas gotta pay me. Ayy, put some respect on my team. I'm the 1501 queen. Ayy, bitch, you better learn who run it, cause all this money gotta come through me. Ayy, I keep it realer than real.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. As you can tell by the title of this video, I did this glam look, y'all. I don't know what I would want to call it because I do go off the dome with these little glam looks. I don't never have these planned or nothing like that, but I did use the Jackie Aina palette, which literally obsessed with, like, no joke. She went in on this palette. Like, just look at the colors. Like, every shade is like literally so pigmented. Like, I can go on and on about this palette, y'all, but this palette is really bomb. I did create this look off this palette and I'm really obsessed with it. I'm glad I got my hands on this palette. Y'all better go get this ASAP. I'm so serious. Definitely go get this palette if you haven't yet. Definitely get this palette if you don't have it in your collection yet, girl, because it is bomb and it's worth it. Yeah, if you guys are wondering on how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm going in with the Jackie Aina palette, as y'all already know. And the first color I'm going to go in with is Ginger. And I'm going to just build that in my crease and, you know, kind of make that as my transition shade. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this clip here. The color Pinker, which is a pretty pink mauve shade, and I'm just going to build that into my outer part of my lid and just bring it in. And I'm also just winging, you know, all this out. I'm going in with the color Credit, which is a dark chocolate shade, and I'm just going to be building that in my crease, just making my eyeshadow look a little bit darker with a little bit more definition. I did something a little different with my cut crease. Instead of just stopping where the tear duct is, I just went past the tear duct, if that makes sense, as y'all can see. And I'm just going to be doing that. And I did use the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer and Tan Sand to do this. I'm going in with Trust Issues, which is a white shimmery shade in the palette, but it comes off as gold, which is why she called it Trust Issues, which I think is very dope and funny. So yeah, I think that's cool. I'm just gonna be putting that on my inner tear duct, also bring that halfway to my lid. this, which is this dark shimmery red shade, and I'm going to be putting that in the middle of my crease. At this point, y'all, I was all like, I'm not even sure what I'm doing, but it gotta work. It gotta work out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And next I'm going in with Shookington, which is this dark shimmery purple shade, which is very pretty, and I'm putting that on the outer part of my crease and just building that up. And all I'm doing here is reviving that color Wiggles. It's because it did get a little lost in the dust, so I'm just making sure that color shows. And as you see here, I'm just wiping the excess shadows from under my eyes. I'm going to be going in with my favorite primer, which is the NARS Poreless Primer, and I'm just rubbing it all over my face. Be going in with my Maybelline 24-Hour foundation. I'm in the color 355, and I'm just gonna blend that out on my face. Going in with my concealer in Deep, and I'm just going to be carving out my eyeshadow wing because I do want that to be snatched, you know, sis, trying to look like a black Chinese doll. Like, come on now. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, conceal where you normally conceal at, the bridge of my nose, forehead, upper lip. That's just what I do. So yeah. Did here was just take a little bit of tan sand just to brighten my eyes up a little bit because I do love a bright under eye. here I'm going in with my handy dandy airspun powder and translucent, and I'm just going to be setting my concealer and stuff like that. I do not bake, I just let it absorb in the skin, sis. Cream contouring with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Ebony, and I do recommend this if you're brown skin or whatever. I feel like it's a good shade to cream contour with for, you know, darker skin complexions. So if you struggling to find one, girl, get that one. And now all you see me doing here is winging out my eyeliner, which took months of practice. Okay, so yeah, I'm just doing that. And now I'm just taking my Ardell Wispies because honestly these were the only lashes I had, so I had no other choice, but they got the job done. And here I'm going in with the Wiggleless, and I'm just going to correspond what I did at the top. So I'm definitely putting that on the bottom part of my middle lash line, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with Trust Issues and Shookington. I'm using my Morphe setting spray. Love this stuff. And also, y'all know I like to use Trophy Wife Moscow Mule / Ginger Binge by Fenty Beauty for my highlighting shade because it's just perfect, honestly. Here I'm just going in with the lipstick Cool Brown. It's a matte lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Very, very matte. And I'm just lining my lips, giving a little bit of definition to it with the MAC Chestnut lip liner. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look that I did from Jackie Aina's palette. Like, literally, hands down, best palette of 2019. Like, come on now, I'm fangirling. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and join the family. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.